Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Impala. Now this is the Midnight Edition. You can tell because of the black Chevy decals and the custom aluminum rims. Now Apple Chevy is offering 14% off all 2019 Chevy Impalas, or customers also have the option to have 0% financing for 72 months. Now, this specific model of the Impala is an LT, and it does have a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now, when we get inside, you can see that we do have a mixture of cloth and leather black seatings, a relatively large back seat with a moonroof. When we get in the vehicle, we can see that we do have a leather center console with our heated seats, a Chevy MyLink radio, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.